Hi, I'm Savannah from Savannah the Label, and today we are at our downtown Los Angeles studio. Here we do some of our production and our sampling, and I thought today we would show you guys, for the people who don't know, the different stages of how to make one of our garments. And the garment we're going to make today is the Indian kimono from our Spring Summer Collection 2020. And here are the different stages. So once I have my design and I hand it over to the pattern maker, he makes a pattern which looks like this. For the kimono we have the back, then we have the sleeve, left and right, and then we have the front, left and right, and the collar. So in total there's 4 patterns. Stage 2. Once the pattern is complete, it then gets handed over to the marking and grading team. The grading is where they do the sizing, and the marker is this piece of paper, which is the pattern laid out, and this is where we cut the garment from. So stage 3, we grab our material, and here we have our signature organic Savannah the Label material, which is what all our cotton pieces are made from for the 2020 collection, Spring Summer. So we lay the fabric out, and then we're going to lay the marking over it. Once we lay the fabric, I then lay the marker over the fabric, making sure all the different patterns are aligned on the fabric, and then we start the cutting phase. So once I've finished cutting, I've got all the pieces here. I've got the 2 fronts, we have the 2 sleeves and the back for the kimono and the collar, and then we wrap them up and we hand it over to our sewing team. So once it is pressed, then we get to go to the fun part, which is trying it on. I really enjoyed showing you guys the process of how we make one of our garments, and I hope you enjoyed it too. Thanks so much for watching, and see you soon. Wait, I don't know what I'm gonna say.
Let's stop now.
How we make oh my god. I really don't, Jesse.